Hey everybody, I'm going fishing today. There's people near me, so I'm gonna be quiet. Neighbors are outside. Going fishing today. I'm gonna be going down to a place where there's actually fish. So hopefully I can catch something, and if I don't, then I just suck. See you guys there. The button didn't press. Sisters and misters, I forgot to say that. Still have on the Mr. Twister. So that's that.
You didn't even bring your pail in case you got something.
I'm not keeping anything. Water is very yellow, actually. Very yellow. Yeah.
Dang.
Hell yeah!
Is that a trout?
No, this is a bass.
That's a bass.
Yeah. I don't know if I want to get hooked. I'm deciding if I want to get my gloves or if I want to... I'm going to be safe. Yeah. I don't want to get hooked. I just got out here. Well, there's fish here.
So you gonna keep them?
No, I'm going to let him go. I don't have anything with me, and it's not bass season yet.
I think it came off the lure.
Oh.
Want to see him?
Hmm?
That's a fishy. Just gonna throw him back in.
You like it?
Should we throw him in or eat him?
You want a quick picture?
I want a video and a picture, everything. I got to
Nice fish.
I can take a picture with video.
Yeah, can you hold it the other way? So this is, we're making a little video here. No, it's fine. You guys can look at it. I just caught this nice bass here. I'm gonna let him go since it's not seasoned. Let's record that, I guess. Caught it in like one cast. I was casting his Parker, the filmer's rod, for fun. Well, not for fun, just trying to see what he's struggling with. And a fish came out of nowhere. Here you go, buddy. Well, that's nice.
Nice job.
Come on.
Yep.
So he just saw a pretty big old fish right around here. So I'm gonna.
It was very big.
Oh, what a time for my thing to be tangled up, bro. Oh, it's a freaking helicopter.
Do you want the story of how I saw it?
No,
Okay.
you just looked at the water.
Huh?
You looked at the water.
Well, I was talking about that minnow.
Then he came along trying to get the minnow.
I think. I just looked down and it stayed below. Like it stayed right to the ground. Right there, right there, right there.
He's here?
Look it right there.
Oh my god, is that a carp? That might be a carp.
You can't really see it on video, but that was...
Try looking at the camera though. If this is content, we gotta get the best shot we can. I think that's a carp. It looked like a carp. Well, there's carp here, so I can go carp
So,
fishing.
fish straight out.
Yeah, I see now. He was big. I think that's a carp. I wish I would have saw one of those when I was going carp fishing. little Ontario carp. I don't think a carp will go for this guy. If he does, then I'm gonna have a hell of a time. He's right there.
Yeah, I saw it.
There's two.
I'm trying to see if I can see it.
You see them? There's two of them right down right under.
Yeah.
What if I could get them with a jig?
Can I take a couple casts?
This is me, the actual channel person. We have found some really old, moldy, crappy, stinky bread just put in the bottom of his tackle. And we're trying to carp them with a, oh, come on. I have a red devil in my foot, in my shoe, sorry. Well, at least they're gonna smell that and come back.
Let's see if they will go for it.
If they come back. It looks like they've already dusted everything up here pretty damn good.
If they eat it, then we know what works.
Yeah, well, I'm gonna shut off the camera because I don't know what to film right now. Make sure it's perfect. Filming. Hi, camera. So, guys, you don't need to walk backwards. It's 0.5. You can see me. We're fishing again today. We've been doing the same thing for hours. We haven't caught anything since the bass and those carp. They just got bigger and bigger with groups and groups. They randomly ran away. We didn't really have what we needed to catch them. We had that stuff though. That stuff. But we've been making casts. We've moved spots 3 times. We went from the canal to over where those fellas are to over on this long stretch. And we're probably gonna call it a day soon because it is hot out here. You don't need to move away from the lure. It's not gonna hurt you. It's not gonna hurt you, bud. It's not gonna hurt you. It's not gonna get you. It's nice. Yeah, so we're probably gonna call it quits soon. Because we're not catching anything anymore. It's hot out here. I didn't bring any drinks. I'm thirsty. And I wanna go home and edit this video and